This is some general information about the Triphasic Training High School software that we are showing right here. The original software, football software, is built for the Triphasic Training Football Speed and Strength Manual. It's been sold to thousands of high schools across the country, and they've been using it with great success. Key features are the ankle rocker program and various exercise selection and the progression of speed development within that, which has been used at various parts of that manual, has been used all the way to the professional level by various teams. Now, this is just general information, key features. When you receive the software, I would go to Save As and save a couple copies on your desktop originals. And then what people do is they will go in and maybe label it, have a copy or two for different teams. So football may have a copy, volleyball may have a copy, baseball may have theirs. So you can modify and adjust the programs as needed, slightly based upon your needs with your facilities and so forth. But a school can have, or an individual can have, as many copies of their software that they purchase as they choose. I would recommend you save it in a file or on the cloud so that you always have access to it so you don't lose it. Now, notice there are the eccentric. First thing you want to do is do not change the names between where you build the workout and then where the print file shows up, because of this can change the printing and then you won't be able to print. But you'll notice there's a 3-day eccentric, weeks 1 and 2. This is the progression in the high school manual for speed and strength. There's a weeks 3 and 4 is the isometric. Weeks 5 and 6 is strength, or all strength up to this point. The next phase is powers 7 and 8, and then you can see how that progresses. We have extra sheets you can build programs on within your workout, so a coach can come in and change his own, change the workout sheets to what he deems necessary for that. So when he changes, maybe does a step up, and you can see that it changes and shows as a step up in this file. Now, those are the open sheets that exist. You can change the exercises, not on the print sheets, but on the extra day sheets, so you can see where the exercises are within the workout. So if you want to do any particular exercise, many people ask where the exercises are. I have detailed description of where you do that. Here are the exercises, list of exercises. You can see all the hundreds that are preloaded, and then you can also load your own exercises in here by just typing in this. Partner neck, for example, is the simplest, easiest way to do it. There are max sheets where each athlete has their own max. So when you go into the workout sheet, let's say for example a day 1, you just select your athlete that you want, athlete B or C, and it places the maxes from the high school program into the workout sheet for that athlete and any athlete. So you can have up to 300 athletes on a file, but again, it's not just 300 athletes. Multiple high schools have 20 of these versions running around with each team, so that each athlete is listed in every team. So it's a very functional, usable system. This is where you can get some detailed programming if you choose, and change anything that you want in the line systems. That essentially appears here when you select how many reps and sets you do. So the reps are 5 reps of 3 sets, and you can see that there are hundreds of versatilities within this software system that was built. These are coaching points and notes. So the system itself is been used by many high school coaches across the country, and with that being said, it is a time saver. You don't have to spend days building programs or creating an Excel file. Each kid gets an individual sheet with their name, their jersey number, or their position on it, and then you can have relative to their max, because each kid's max is in the sheet, and then you can also use a calculator to perform and find out what the maxes are. I also, with the directions that you receive with the software, there are very detailed functions in this that I give very specific directions on the video. Please feel free to look at it, and you can get it on the Excel Athlete website. Thank you for listening.